Hey guys, welcome back to Delph and today I will be showing you how to fix echo in Zoom calls. So guys, if this ever happened, what you could try to do is change some settings into your Zoom. So go ahead and open up your Zoom application into your computer. And now over here guys, you should be able to see the gear icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. So go ahead and select that. And now from here, you would just simply go ahead and go for the audio tab. Now over here, guys, as you can see, if we scroll down a little bit, we should be able to have here microphone modes. So from here in default, you will have noise removal. And what you could try to do is switch to original sound for musicians. So sometimes switching on this can help fix the issue. And when you go for the advanced, you will have the echo cancellation as well. So you could go for high or simply make it an auto, and pretty much you will have other options as well over here. Now another thing guys, if you have an echo problem into your meeting, is just try to mute yourself first, and sometimes muting yourself is the fix to see if other participants have the problem. If you are not having the audio echo, it means it's the participant's problem and not on your side. Now, if it still doesn't work out, you could just simply go ahead and leave the meet, guys. And you could just simply restart the Zoom itself. So from here, if we close out Zoom, in order for you to totally reset it, right click on the task manager and go ahead and try to tap on one of them and tap on Z. As you can see, I still have a Zoom meeting running on the background. To totally reset it, right click on it and select end task. And pretty much you can just simply open up your Zoom again, and mostly that can fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.